Hello and welcome to part 2 of our Domain and WordPress Setup screencast. In part 1 we registered a domain, set up web hosting for our site and pointed the domain name to our new host. In part 2 we're going to confirm the site is working by uploading a test page, and then we'll install WordPress so that in future videos we can go through the steps of building a site in the WordPress framework. We're not sure that our new domain name has been correctly redirected to our new host yet, as it takes a little while, and to be able to see it's working we're going to upload a test page HTML file which contains a link to an image file. If we type our domain URL into the browser, this image should display and we'll know everything is working. Okay, so here we go. For this exercise we're going to use an FTP uploader to upload the test files from our local hard drive to the new web domain. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol and is simply a way to upload or download files from your desktop. If you don't have an FTP program, just do a quick search on the web and there are a number of free ones you can download, including FileZilla for PC or Mac. Here's our FTP client and it has two panes. The left one is our local hard drive and the blank one on the right is our new empty website. We accessed our new site by entering the FTP login details that were sent to us by email from the new host. We can save this location in our FTP program so we can have access at any time through a simple bookmark. We'll drag the index.html file, which is our temporary test page, and image folder from our local disk on the left to the website pane on the right. Now we'll open our browser and enter the URL for our new domain. Success! We now know our domain name and hosting site have been successfully linked. We can now delete the test page and image folder, leaving an empty directory ready to install WordPress. OK, now we need to open our browser and, using the login details from our master log into cPanel of the hosting account. The cPanel or control panel gives us access to be able to control more or less anything on the web setup. If we scroll down, we come to the Softaculous installer. We can click the WordPress option within it. Just click the Install option to open the installer window. Here we need to choose the domain and the directory in which to install. Leave the directory blank to install at the root level, in other words, not in a subfolder. The database name can be left at the suggested option or type in a different name if you wish. The table prefix default is WP_, which you can accept or replace for added security, but make sure it ends in an underscore. Site name is whatever you decide to call the site. Give this careful thought first. Ours will be called Sante, and the description will be the site strapline. In our case, Cocktails, Bar, Brasserie. Leave the multi-site checkbox unchecked unless you definitely need a multi-user site with many contributors or editors, such as a magazine. You can leave the username as admin, and we will set up more security on this later. For the admin password, either click the key to generate one, or make one up that you'll remember, but one that's not too simple or obvious. For the admin email, enter an email address that you currently use. This will only be used for site notifications, such as your initial login confirmation. It won't be seen by site visitors. Finally, choose a language and click Install when ready. For security, this has been an unedited form. Now we go to one we've already completed, and we'll click to install WordPress. Here we have an error message, because when we deleted the files from the directory, there was an invisible file, htaccess, that was not removed. This is easily resolved by ticking the checkbox and then the Install button again. The progress bar now shows that WordPress is being installed on your target location. When you see the congratulations message, you can click to visit your new WordPress site. Or by clicking the second URL, which is the same as the first, appended by /wp-admin, you will be taken to the WordPress login screen, where you can enter your new login details to access the WordPress dashboard. From here, you can control your new site. Further videos will take you through this in detail. We hope you have found this screencast useful and come back for more WordPress development articles, videos and plugin and product reviews, or join our free Wired into the Web inbox magazine to be notified by email each time we post or update new material. Full details on our website. Thanks again for watching.
Oh, Mario, is it real? No one has to know. Hi, oh, Mario, we're coming up fast and we'll take it slow.